Welcome to this guided breathwork meditation. Go ahead and sit down on a chair. For this practice, we are going to be learning principles and the foundation for doing the Pranayama breathing exercises. What you want to do first is just go ahead and take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Go ahead and take another deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, what I want you to do, take one thumb and place your thumb underneath your one nostril and close it. Now you should be breathing in through the other nostril. So go ahead and do that. And breathe out through the other nostril. And you're going to be alternating between closing one nostril, inhaling, and opening, and exhaling with the other nostril closed. And you can use your thumb to open and close each nostril. Breathing in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. And breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in again from the other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4. And exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can continue this practice, and as you breathe, either this way or just normally, notice that any tension in your body is being released. That may be in your neck or shoulders, in your back, stomach, in your legs or feet. Wherever there is any tension, simply put your awareness onto it and let it go. This meditation is only about breathwork. So now you're going to be breathing in for 8 seconds. Breathing in 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may repeat this process. When you breathe in, if you can only breathe in to 4, that's okay. Just make sure that your exhale is being done very slowly, as this helps engage your diaphragm muscles, which is the muscle that is responsible for deep breathing. So go ahead and take in a breath. And exhale. You can do as much breath work as you like. I hope you have a wonderful day. This meditation is complete.